Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a password in Gmail. First, log into your Gmail account, click your profile picture, and select Manage your Google account. Navigate to the Security tab. Scroll down and ensure two-step verification is turned on. Note, you won't see the app password option unless two-step verification is enabled. Click on App Passwords. Verify your identity by entering your Google account password. Enter the two-step verification code sent to your device and click Next. Under Select App, choose the app, example, Mail, Calendar, or Contacts. Under Select Device, choose your device and click Generate. Copy the 16-character app password that appears. Save it somewhere safe. Click Done. And that's it. That's how to generate a password in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.